Let's take a look at the key Amazing Trader features. One goal of our program is to make it as user-friendly as possible, as you see in the following. When you open your MT4 platform and you hit File, New Chart, it's going to look something like this. What's missing is the Amazing Trader program, unless you've already installed it as part of the installation process. So let's assume you haven't installed it. We would go to View, Navigator, Expert Advisors, hold the mouse down with your left finger and drag it in, and you'll get to this template. Next step is to put in your username, which is your email address that you're registered with, and your password that you're registered with. Then we go down to the colors. You'll see Dodge Blue as a default color for AT resistance lines. Red will be the default color for AT or Amazing Trader support lines. These two colors are in gray. They represent unconfirmed lines, which come as dashes. All will be explained at a different time. All you're doing now is setting the colors for them. You're using a dark chart. You want a light color. You're going to use a light background. Use a dark color. So since this color is dark, we're going to use like a light blue for the unconfirmed resistance and a red for the unconfirmed support. You'll see two numbers down here. They reflect the fonts, the size of the line, the thickness of Amazing Trader lines. I prefer to see them thick, so I'll use 3. I was just nothing less than 2. And once again, you want to pick the text color here, which case would be, for me, it's in the dark background. I'm using a light color. If it's a light background, you use a dark color. You hit OK, and guess what? The Amazing Trader is running. I'm going to add one more thing here. It's my personal preference. I go to Properties, Common. I click on Chart Shift, and it moves the chart to the left. That allows me to see the Amazing Trader lines a little bit clearer. I like the space on the right, but that's a personal preference. Now, if you have the Amazing Trader already installed on your MT4 platform, all you would have done is right-click, Expert Advisors, Properties, and you would have gotten the same template, and you could fill in the blanks there. Now, one thing about MT4, you can only run one Expert Advisor per chart. So rather than having you fill in the template every time, all you have to do is right-click on a chart, go to Template, Save Template, put it in a spot where you're going to remember it, fill out a name, which I've already done, and then click OK. Now it's saved. Now let's say you go into a new chart and you want to install the Amazing Trader program. You don't have to go through the whole process again. You've already put on your templates. So you right click, go to Templates, go to Load Template. It'll take you where you have it loaded. And guess what? All you have to do is change the currency to what you want. You have the Amazing Trader on it. So you don't have to go through the process again. Now I'll just show you one more thing. I have it saved with my settings in a light background. I'm going to load that template right now. And here's my white background. So every time I load open a new chart, and I want to put the Amazing Trader on, all I have to do is go to the template, and it's all set up for me. Now, as I mentioned, the MT4 program will only allow one Expert Advisor program per chart. So if you want to run multiple currencies, you have to open up multiple charts. But there's another way. You see here this green box over here? You left click on it, and it lists all the currency pairs that we offer. Not only currency pairs, gold, silver, Bitcoin, etc. And as long as you see it up here, you can scroll between currencies and time frames. Let's say I'm in the euro dollar right now, and I want to go to a 1 hour chart. I just click the 1 hour here. Let's say I want to go to the Canada 15-minute chart. Right over here, a 30-minute chart, and so forth. Point is, you can move between currencies or between time frames simply using this box over here. Or if you want to change time frames, you could always go to the top in your toolbar and do it the same way. So you have two options to do that. Not all symbols that are available in the Amazing Trader show up in this table. There are some symbols that have to be dragged in from a market watch window. The reason is MT4 because there are some symbols that are not standard across all broker platforms. Examples might be US 30, for example, might be NASDAQ 100, could be UK oil, etc. Point is that if you don't see it, let us know, because we can add symbols in just about any asset class to the program. So that sums up the Amazing Trader features. You can see how user-friendly it is. And we look forward to having you in our program.